Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to part 3 of this, I guess. So I did a lot of stuff, basically. Well, not really a lot. I plan to do a lot in this video. As you can see, I turned up the graphics and the resolution and all that shit, and just turn this down so I don't mess up the game audio when I'm editing this shit. Yeah, I've did a lot of races. I did not upgrade the car whatsoever. I mean, I put like neon lights on there. I plan to put this in white. I think white would fit it perfectly. Yeah, I think white would do nicely. Okay, now I think I gotta turn down all that resolution, bro. No, you see how it's lagging? Yeah, we gotta turn that shit down a notch, turn the level of detail down by 2, and see, now it's moving even better. Alright. That's more like it. Lost my momentum right there. Alright, let's go. Alright. What? What the fuck? I mean, that helped my burnout, but damn, bro. Oh, wait. Can I actually? Okay, I can't. I was hoping I could, but I can't. Yeah. Welcome to Bayview Shop Thingy Majiggy. I set the wrong alarm. God dang it. Alright, well, still show the timer. Front bumper. Nah. You know one thing about me, I love to see the cooler thingy right there. Love to see it. Alright. Ew. Side skirts. Nah. Nope. I guess we got a full Rohan kit. We don't. Aw, oh, come on. We don't get spoilers, bro. Dang it. Trident, Formula, Mongoose, Twister, Duo Max, Tremor, Fusion. I fucks with the Fusion, I ain't gonna lie. First time ever seen that, totally messes with the Fusion. Oh, we get a shit ton of roof scoops, but not one spoiler? So fucked up. Blast back. I messes with blast back. Northeast headwind. I'm not putting on a roof scoop until I get a spoiler. That's just me, bro. I ain't gonna lie. Okay. We're keeping it stock. We're keeping it stock. Taillights. It gives that R33 vibes. I'm gonna say 32. Side mirrors. What the fuck? Oh shit, that's cool. Nope. And some of these things are really ugly, I'm not gonna lie. This is the most stock looking one that I could agree with. I was looking for a single exhaust that's like really huge. Oh, we get rims, baby! Ooh, wait, hold on. That's some BVS. I ain't feeling none of those though. Oh, well, we get some OZ. Okay, none of Need for Speed? Nah. Rhoda? Hey, Rhoda. Come on. Work? Okay. 5Z Gen. Is it Z? I don't fucking know. We'll go with this one. We can pick size. Oh, that's tough. Carbon fiber and wide body and all that shit. Alright. Car's looking fresh. Would love to unlock some spoilers. Appear in the Bayview's best DVD cover. Head to the star in your minimap to meet the photographer.
The guys from Bayview's Best are filming their next flick tonight. Bring it home, and you'll get in their movie for sure.
Ooh, that sounds nice. Why does my car seem extremely faster now? Alright. Special event. There's like 3 stars on the map.
Yo, dude, got any details on the rumors of racing in the Hotel Plaza area? I hear it's a bunch of newbies with more bank than brains. Should be easy pickings. If you're near, can you check it out and let me know? Thanks.
Check it out, bro. You just got featured on the DVD Bayview's Best. Hey, you're gonna like this. Get your ride into the zone and move it around while changing the angle of the camera. When you're happy with the setup, press the camera button and take the shot. What you snap will show on the cover of the next mag. Now get at it. You don't have all night.
Dude, it's acceptable. I really wanted a spoiler though. Gosh dang it. Okay, whoa, easy on the lag there, my boy. Hey. Okay, we do that. We might gotta turn up the details a little bit. Told you I could get at the drifting. Guy's getting antsy. He hasn't seen anything good enough tonight. He's looking to wrap it up. Gotta get here in the next... Is that 2 minutes or 2 hours? I don't know. Alright, let's go. Oh, we gotta get to that star. Alright, hold up. Level of detail has to go down a little bit. Use some nitrous. Dang it. Fuck. Whoo! We got there just in time. Oh my god, that was so cool. Alright. Still wish I had a spoiler though. Nothing on the message. What's there to do now? Oh, we have another one. Alright. Looks like we're doing social media for this episode. Whoa. What? What the fuck, man? Oh, didn't see it. Another one. Swear if the GPS fucks me up on this one, I will be pissed. Motherfucker. Can't just give me short turns like that. I'm in traffic here, man. Come on. Where the fuck is that? I could have sworn I saw it right there.
Nice, you just scored the cover of Turbo.
Okay, what's next? What the fuck are these? I have no idea what those are. I guess I'll check them out. I ain't got nothing else to do. I don't know what they are anyways.
Hey, what's up, dog? Word on the wire is some action brewing in Beacon Hill. Now, I haven't been able to pinpoint the exact location, but you should be able to find them without much problem. My boy says some easy pickings, so I thought you might be in. Good luck, man. I'm out of here.
Beacon Hill? Where's Beacon Hill? Oh, okay. Where's Beacon Hill? Beacon Hill. It should be probably that's Beacon Hill, right? You reckon? I don't know, it's a sponsored circuit race. Why not do this one, eh? Oh shit! Okay. We up against some dangerous cars. We got 2 laps on this bitch. I ain't wilding these niggas. But we gotta show them what's up, ain't that right? We gotta show these niggas who rule this bitch. What's up, nigga? Yeah, who the man now? Oh, they catching up. Oh, you wanna play dirty? Okay. He around there drafting, ain't it? He drafting. My boy drafting. Oh, he hit something. Hits. That's what you get. That's what you get, nigga. I'm gonna try to get some nitrous. Fuck, that almost cost me the race. Ah, shit. Come on, baby, come on. There's one thing about NPCs, they suck at taking corners. Gotta catch the drift. Oh, bitch. Not again. kind of sick, twisted up road is up ahead? What the hell am I looking at on the map right now? Okay, I see the shortcut. I'm gonna take it on the next one. I was just asking myself, how the hell am I in third? But then that guy was like way over that side, so that explains a lot. Okay, so you don't really have to drive that close to them to get nitrous. I just do it because I played a lot of Traffic Rider back on Android, you know, those days. Yeah, so because of my engine and probably the whole engine in terms of the car, I can't go to the 6th gear, so yeah, I'm working on that and the upgrades. This is as fast as I go, man. Still getting used to the whole manual thing. I know what you're thinking, why am I saving my nitrous? Dude, you'll see. You'll find out. You're gonna find out. Alright, here it comes, here it comes. That's why I've been saving my nitrous. For that motherfucker. See him? You cannot mess with those hatchbacks, bro. I'm telling you. Ah, that goddamn AP, man. Alright, I'll slap all 3 of these races because, like, why not? They're extremely long, too, you know, like. A couple laps. Good, man. Gotta pick up that $50, man. We gonna crush this shit, same old, bro. Ain't no biggie. Ain't no biggie. Ooh, they got a Miata. They got a Celsius. Oh, that's an Eclipse. I thought it was a Miata. My bad, bro. Oh, they got a Supra. Oh shit, they got a Supra. This is gonna be tough. I ain't scared of you, but I know this gonna be a tough one. I could have sworn I fucked it up. Oh, nah, you ain't passing me, bruh. You ain't passing me, bruh. Oh, you wanna get tactical? Alright, let's get tactical, my nigga. Let's get real fucking tactical, bro. I ain't playing with you. Oh, so that's how it's gonna be? Man, these corners are some real Japanese shit, man. Real Japanese shit, dude. Somebody got banged up on them corners, bro. Goddamn cars are on to me, man. Here I come. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Wait, what? Who the fuck was behind me? It was not a 240. Hey! Bro, I ain't gonna cap. After talking all that shit, I literally did the race like 3 fucking times before I could get his shit right. Yeah, I was talking all that shit, man. One crash and it's all over, I'm telling you. One motherfucking crash. Alright, now we go to the performance shop because I want to see if my car can get some upgrades. Preferably some turbo. Or something, I don't know, anything. I have $5,000, man. And my game is lagging, god dang it. Oh, there's a lot of traffic over here. Oh. I didn't see that. Yep, you can go. Oh, that's how this shit works. I'm riding with my hydraulics, baby. Let me pull that bitch out. Hold on. Yeah. Yeah, it's like a fucking like toy car, bro. What the fuck? But you can actually. I'm gonna do a race with that. Oh, he fell back. Oh shit! Look at my car, nigga.
Yo, stock is for suckers. Hey, tighten your gearbox and shorten your throws by upgrading your transmission, harden your suspension, and slice through turns by... Nitrous is extra power stuffed into a tank, ready to
I
explode
can't get
when you need more
anything
speed.
else. Dang it. Alright, I guess I'll just do more races for now. I'm gonna end the video here. I got a lot of racing to do or whatever. Oh, there's so much, man. I'm literally trying to end this as fast as possible so I can just, just hack the game, get some cash, do some car stuffs, and come back with the, building cars series. I really want to do that. Plus, we have a dyno. This is going to be perfect. As for now, we don't even have messages right now. I got a shit ton to do. I just have these things. You know what? Screw it. I'm doing this last one. I might end in the video yet. Left or right? Okay, it's definitely left. You know what? I'm not gonna waste no time. I'm gonna see you when I get there. Alright, we're here. I totally did not just spin around my car and oh wait. But yeah, it's good to collect these things. You get some stuff like upgrades and shit. Magazine shots, preview function, blah blah blah. Oh crap. Those things give you like tips and stuff and some other shit like that. You get some pretty interesting things. Alright, I'm hoping I get like 2 laps on this shit. Man, the loading time. Oof, hectic. Okay, we get one of those cars. What the fuck? What the fuck? Are you guys seeing this shit? Got a fucking Infiniti and a goddamn Shelby on this bitch. Ain't no way, bro. Okay. If I had some god tier suspension, that would have been super right now. I'm not gonna lie. What the fuck? I don't know if it's a Shelby Mustang or just I don't know muscle cars, man. I'm guessing it's a Shelby. Oh, that bitch took the shortcut. Okay, if I have 2 laps of this shit, I am not gonna make it. God damn. You know what I'm gonna do from now on? I'm gonna hit the dyno and select what I want my car to be good at. Then I do the race. I think that's perfect. Yeah, I think that's perfect. Okay. My turn to shine, baby. My turn to shine. Let's go. Fuck. You're not passing me. You're not passing me. Come on, give me some love. Where the fuck do I turn? Are you fucking joking, bro? Nah, you sold me out. Literally, bruh. Bruh. Come on, bitch. Fucking crash. Oh. I will not be defeated by your muscles. I will not be defeated by your muscles. Oh, man. And somebody caught that on camera. Did they? Oh, fuck, I ended the video. I'm done.